In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send XLM from Coinbase to Lobster Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any XLM that you have on Coinbase or other exchange wallets into Lobster. So to start, open your XLM page on Coinbase, either through the app or the website, and choose the send option. You can choose send from the home screen, or if you choose the XLM page, you will see a graph, you will see more information about the coin, and you will also find the send option. So choose send within Coinbase. Now you will be able to input the amount that you want to send either in XLM or your local currency, and finally the destination. This is where you will be inputting your XLM wallet address from Lobster. So to find this particular wallet address, open the Lobster app and choose the receive option. You can also go to your assets, find XLM just like Coinbase, and once you go into your XLM page, you will see the receive option as well. Upon choosing receive, the address will be displayed here. For this particular transfer, it seems like they don't require memos. If, when you try to do this, they ask for a memo, then make sure to note it down as well. But for the time being, it seems like they don't use memos. So copy this wallet address, and with the wallet address from Lobster copied, you can paste it here. Upon pasting that wallet address, it should be added onto your Coinbase contacts, and you will be able to continue making this transfer. So I recommend sending a small amount of XLM first to make sure that everything was configured properly, and if it goes through, then you can go ahead and send the rest. So just initiate the transfer from Coinbase, gather the receive wallet address from Lobster, and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to send XLM from Coinbase to Lobster Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.